Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove location from photos on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to remove photo location on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app. Now, once you open the Photos app, just scroll down and then select the photo whose location you want to remove. So just search through your entire photo and select the photo whose location you want to remove. Once you selected the photo, locate and click on the information icon. Now you should see the photo location on the maps. If you click on it, it's going to show the exact photo location on the maps. However, to remove the location from the photo, all you need to do is go ahead and click on adjust. Then select no location. After that, hang on. Then if you close the photo and open it again, click on the information icon, then you should see the location removed. You see that? So that is exactly how to remove photo location on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.